Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of learning management system for the Magento 2 platform. And in today's video tutorial we'll be showing you how the customers would be able to access the online courses within your Magento 2 web store. Apart from that, we'll also be showing you how the admin of the store would be able to set up the LMS for the Magento 2 itself. And before we proceed further, let me give a small gist about this particular plugin. That's the learning management system for Magento 2 by Webkul. So basically this plugin introduces a new product type, that is course product, and that leverages the Magento 2 store owner to create multiple trending online courses. For the courses, the admin can create multiple content sections and can add new content such as videos and PDF files under the content and assignment section. So the main focus is to provide the customers with a common arena wherein they'll be able to check and download the trending online courses and can get benefit from the same. So now let me take you to the web store front end and let me show you how a customer would be able to check the what we say as the course products and how we can make a checkout using the same. So for that, I'm already here on the Magento 2 web store front end, as you can see. And to access the courses, the customer can tap here on the courses, and that would display all of the available courses here. So right now we have two courses under the courses section here, and from here we can navigate to the product page as well for the course. So let's tap on this particular product, the course product. That's the Magento Advanced one. So here I'm at the product page for the course product itself, and here we have the name of the course product. That's the Magento Advanced. We have the cost for this particular course. Apart from that, you can also see the different attribute information for this particular course, like it has hours on demand video, it has 1 chapters and 1 assignments as well. Apart from that, you can also see the date when the course was published and the last update date for the same as well. The customers can see the skill level. There are 3 different levels that are defined there from the admin backend panel. So the skill level can be set up for the course product that you're creating. Then you can set up the total duration of this particular course, and you can also see the enroll student option here, and you can see the course language is in English. So that's the main information on the product page. Now let's come down, and here you can see that we have the course content, wherein we have a few lectures, 1 assignment. Apart from that, we also have the duration for the same. So the number 1 course topic is the advanced topic, and if I drop it down here, you can see that we have the advanced content of Magento. So we can preview this particular thing as well. So let me tap on the preview link for the course content for the advanced topic that we have created. So after tapping that up, that brings up this particular section, as you can see, and it has a particular video within it that gives the preview for the course itself. So if the customer taps here on the play button, then the course content for the preview would be shown to the customer. Also kindly note that a user should have an account within your Magento 2 web store. Only then he will be able to check these products and can place the orders as well. So on the right hand side as well, after tapping on the preview, we have the course content block here on the right hand side with the section 1, that's the advanced topic, and we also have the advanced content of Magento, that's in a PDF file format. And if you tap here on the download button, that would basically download the and that downloads the PDF for the advanced content of the Magento, as you can see on the bottom left hand corner. So this is basically a demo file that I had uploaded for the advanced content of Magento in the PDF format. And on this preview section as well, the customers can check the different info that are here, as the skill level, access lifetime, language, number of students who have enrolled, the videos. Apart from that, the customer can also ask a new question for the course to the web store owner. For that, he can go to the Q&A section as well. So let me open that up, Q&A. Or you can also get there by tapping here on the ask new question button that we have. So after tapping that up, you can set up your title or the summary and the details that you want to know from the admin regarding the course itself. Then you just need to publish it up, and this would then be visible to the web store owner under the reviews within the backend panel for his web store itself. So these were the details and how the customer can access the what we say as the conversation with the web store admin for the created course content. Now let's add one product into the cart, and thereafter we'll be making a checkout. So I've already added the Magento Basic with the quantity 1, and I'll just tap here on the proceed to checkout button. So here I'm at the checkout page, and I'll be selecting my payment method, and on the right hand side under the order summary you can see the details of the course. That's for the Magento Basic with the quantity 1, and price is $100. So now let me tap on the place order button to purchase this particular online course product. Alright, the order has been placed for the course product. Now let's check the details by tapping here on the order ID there, and you can see that Magento Basic product name, the SKU, price, quantity, and the subtotal for the same, and the payment method that we just chose, that is also visible here for the customers to check, and they can basically print the order as well. So basically that was how the customers would be able to access the course products at the web store front end, and how they can place the orders with the same, and the customers can also set their or provide the reviews for that particular course. As you can see here, right now I'm on another course as the Magento Basic one, and here we are having the details for the course content itself. We also have the preview for the course, and under the reviews from here the customers can basically provide the reviews for the particular online course product that the admin has created from the admin backend panel. So apart from that, if the admin has enabled the social share for this course product, then the customers would be able to post the details of the course itself on the social networks like the Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus. And apart from that, the customers can also directly email the store admin for any queries by tapping here on the mail icon. So after you've reached the product page, and then when you check the preview, under the preview you'll be able to see these social sharing icons. Apart from that, on the course content section for the preview, you can also see the conversation of the admin and yourself, and apart from that, you can also make a reply back to the store admin for any questions regarding this particular course product or the content that is there. So now let's go to the admin backend panel, and let's see how the admin would be able to set up the LMS from the admin backend panel for this particular config plugin. So for that, let's go to the admin backend panel now. So here I'm at the Magento web store backend panel, and I'll be logging into my admin account by entering my username and the password. And after that, after logging in and after successfully installing this particular plugin, you just need to navigate through stores, then configuration, and on the configuration page you just need to scroll down within the Webkul block. Here you'll find the learning management system. So right now this is just a demonstration, so we have other products as well that are there. So after you have successfully purchased the learning management system, only this particular option would be available for the configuration of the plugin itself. So here we have two different settings. One is the display settings, and then the social share for the course. So let's go through each of them. So the very first option that we have is to show the number of enrolled students at the product page. You can choose it as a yes or a no. and this would then reflect here under the enrolled student for the created course. Then we have show course section, so you can choose the yes or a no for this show course section. And so you can enable this option to show the course section. You can set up the short description about the course itself. Then you can set up the total course duration. So here we are also having the total duration, and the other details are here, the content, the course content, and the details. And then we have the show progress bar after user has purchased the course. So you can choose this option as a yes or a no, depending upon your own requirement there. So that comes up here, as you can see, the skill level. And then we have the share option after purchasing the course. You can choose this as a yes or a no. So if you select this as a yes, then show share option, the share option would be shown after the purchase of the course to the customer itself. And lastly, we have the social share for course. So here you can enable or disable the social sharing networks, wherein you'll be able to share the course details itself for the product. So after previewing the product, the course product, you'll have these social networks here along with the email option as well. Now after doing this, you just need to tap on the save configuration button. And now let's see how the admin can create a new course. So for that, we'll be navigating through catalog and then products. And here the admin can add a new course by tapping here on the add product option. And here you can see that we have a new product type, that is the course product type. So we can tap that up, and that will bring up the section to create a new course product within the admin backend panel. And after setting that up, you get this kind of a particular course, online course, as you can see, with all of the details there for purchasing, for reviews, for previews, checking the course content, the language within it is, the total duration, enrolled students, published on, last update, the skill level for this particular one, how many assignments are there, how many chapters, and the demand videos are there for this particular online course product. So here I'm at the new product page. So basically the admin can create the course product as normal as we do in the default Magento 2 by entering the product name, SKU, price, where we want to show it up, the categories. Like if we go for the courses, we can set the category as course. Then we have the course details. So here the admin will set up the skill level of this course, so beginner, intermediate, or expert, and this is then displayed here, as you can see, the skill level. Then we have the language of the course. You can choose the language of the course, and that would get displayed here as well. And thereafter, and after you enter the product name and the different options are there, you just need to tap on the save configuration button. And after you've saved this particular product, you'll be able to check the course content and the review section as well within this particular product that you're going to create. So as a demonstration, I'll just again navigate to my product section, and let me edit one of the course products for you. So let me open the Magento Advanced course that we have already created, and let me tap here on the edit link under the actions column. So we are on the edit page for the Magento Advanced. So as I've already told you, initially when you're creating a new product, then as default workflow, you can add a product and then save it. Now then you need to edit that particular product once again, and then you'll be able to see the course content option and the product reviews section as well. So under the course content here, the admin can add the course content by tapping here on the add course button. That brings up the section with the details of the content there. To add a new content, the admin can tap here on the add new content button, and that brings up the new course content section, wherein the admin would be able to set up the content title, the selection type, like it's advanced or not, the type, whether it's the content or the assignment. So if you choose content, then you can basically upload a file like a PDF file, and if you choose this as an assignment, then you'll be able to alright, my bad there. So for the type, if you choose it as a content one, then you will be able to select the files for import, like the video files and the other files that are there. And if you choose this as an assignment, then you'll be able to upload your files like the PDF, text and zip files. You can set up the description for them. You can also choose whether you want to show a preview to the customers or not, so you can choose a yes for that. And if you choose content, you can choose yes for that as well, the description and the video as well. And thereafter you just need to tap here on this save button to save the new course content that you've just uploaded, and that then gets displayed here on the course content section. And that was how we can add the course content to the products. And now let's go to the product reviews, and from here before I go to the product reviews, I just forgot one thing to tell you. So let me tap here on the add course content once again. So here we can also set up the content sections as well for the content that we have just created. So if I tap on the content section, the course section page would be displayed, and it would have all of the course sections that you've already created. To add a new course section, you can tap here on the add new section button, and that brings up the new course section page, where you'll be able to set up the section title and the sort order. Thereafter you just need to tap on the save button to save this particular new course section that you've created. So now let's go to the product reviews. And so if the customers have given any product reviews, so those would then basically come up here, and you'll be able to check the product reviews according to the creation date, the status, nickname of the customer, review, visibility type, and the rest of the details as well. So that was how we can create a product, and then we can assign the course sections and create the course itself. So I hope that it helped you out in understanding how the learning management system works for the Magento 2 platform, and how you can make use of this to get the benefit of providing the course contents online to your web store customer. And if you still have any questions or queries regarding the learning management system for the Magento 2 platform, then you can always get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com. Thanks for watching this video.